This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking basic prep, stance, rhythm, and a gentle frame so you can communicate without force. Practice the 1-2-3, 1-2 count while shifting weight heel to toe. This anchors timing. Once done, take 2 measured steps forward with the lead foot while keeping your partner's balance. The slight slide on 2 creates the frisky accent. Make sure to maintain light pressure, about 10–20%, so adjustments are easy and signals are clear as you begin the pattern. You now extend the pattern into a crossbody turn and syncopated accents to make the dance feel alive. Lead with your torso and eyes. Guide the turn across 6 counts while your partner steps and pivots. Once the turn settles, inject syncopation on beats 4 and 6 by expanding steps about 20% to create a playful push. This is the frisky flavor. Make sure to coordinate breath. Inhale on prep and exhale on release so movements stay smooth and communicative. You wrap the sequence by returning to a grounded anchor. Hold the frame for 2 counts to signal completion, then release into freestyling. Once done, add a small flourish, an opposite foot tap or shoulder roll to punctuate the only way finish. If timing drifts, simplify immediately to the basic 1-2-3 pattern for 4 bars to regain sync. Make sure to troubleshoot by dropping pressure to 5 to 10% and re-establishing eye contact if your partner feels off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.